Hello everyone, welcome to the video of e-commerce. Today in this video, we are going to study types of e-commerce. So let's move ahead and check what are the types of e-commerce. As we all know, e-commerce is exchange of goods and services by using internet. So on the basis of that, there are different types of e-commerce which we will study today. So the first type is B2C, second type is B2B, third type is C2B, and the fourth type is C2C. Now, what is the meaning of B2C, B2B, C2B, and C2C? So, let's move ahead and check one by one what are the meanings and what are the parameters which are applicable for that particular type of e-commerce. So the first type of e-commerce is business to customer, that is B2C. In business to customer, as you can observe into this diagram, the first target is to achieve the order from customer, then it will get placed to the online store. The third one is about the products and offers. The customer who is searching for the products to purchase online will search for products and different offers for that particular product. Then he will do the payment procedure. Once the payment procedure will be completed, it will get transferred for the expedition and you will receive the delivery of that particular product. So in this B2C model, that is business to customer model, the process involves 6 different stages into e-commerce B2C. So the e-commerce B2C follows first procedure for customer, second for online store, third for products and offers, fourth one is for the payment, fifth for the expenditure, and sixth one is for the delivery of product. So let's move ahead and check one by one what are the points that we need to keep in mind while studying e-commerce B2C, that is business to customer. Business sells direct to customer, as the name says, business to customer. So there is no any intermediated. Business is directly applicable and directed to the customer. So businessman sells directly to customers. Customers can view product on the website, as the cycle I have explained just before some time. So accordingly, customer can view the product on the website. Customer can choose the product and order the same as I have told you about the third phase. Fourth one is about the notification to business organization. Once you place the order, the particular site businessman will get the notification of your order. Next point is about the organization which will dispatch your order, will deliver your order. So as per the cycle we have discussed, you have to keep in mind the different points which are related with the business to customer type of e-commerce. Then what can be the examples to explain business to customer model? So the examples are Amazon and Flipkart. You know the examples wherever you work, where you place order. So accordingly, the model is explained for business to customer type of e-commerce. The next type of e-commerce is business to business, that is B2B. In this type of e-commerce, we need to remember that business sells its product to the intermediate buyer and then to the final buyer. Now here, as the name suggests, business to business, that is B2B, the business and the services and goods exchange will be possible in between two different businessmen. You can take the example of wholesaler or manufacturer. So this two will be a wholesaler businessmen, and this will have exchange of goods and services, and then they will transfer to the final buyer. So the business will be possible in between two wholesalers. So the example which you can remember for business to business type of e-commerce model is about the Tata Communications, Tata Groups, where it will be is providing services to the another businesses, and then that services will be forwarded to the final consumer. The next type of business is consumer to consumer, that is C2C. Here in this diagram, you can observe the first level is about the post particular services or product. So the customer, what the customer will do, customer will first check for the services or products. Then it will then the another type of customers which are into the business organization, they will be checking for the services or the products to hire, and they will have the exchange of goods and services in between customer, consumer to consumer, or customer to customer. So this way, this diagram explains us the exchange of goods and services in between consumer to consumer. So it will be a direct contact with consumer or customer. So consumer sells direct to the consumer. Here you can take the example of residential properties, cars and motorcycles, where you know the examples like OLX, Quaker and all, where the residential properties, cars, motorcycles will be sold on the website, and there the customer or the consumer will be directly contacting to the consumer which is in need of that service or which is in need of that particular product. So this example is for consumer to consumer. The next type of e-commerce is consumer to business. So consumer to business, that is C2B, is all about the content marketing into the e-commerce. Here in this, consumer have product or services of the value that can be consumed by the business. Like if you will take the example of various interest rates for personal loan, or various websites which are guiding us for the insurances and for loans and all. So the comparison of this you can have on consumer to business type of e-commerce, and then accordingly if you will take the example of eBay and all, so it will be the exchange of goods and services from consumer to business. So these are the four types of e-commerce. As in this video we have studied, the exchange of goods and services is possible in between consumer to business, business to business, then business to consumer, and consumer to consumer. So these are the four types of e-commerce. Thank you for watching this video. You can like this video, subscribe the channel and share. Stay tuned for my updated video. Thank you for watching.